How do you lift a 42-ton steel can and then a 125-ton can with the same tool whilst keeping perfect balance every time? That was our challenge. We've designed, manufactured and tested a one-of-a-kind C-hook to lift cans and cones for offshore wind monopiles with varying sizes and centre of gravity.
The main issue is when you're lifting something not so small, but the smallest can and cone can be as light as 42 ton. So naturally you think that you just need to include sufficient counterweight and leverage to correct the tilt. Not until we've done a little bit more work investigating the COG combined between the can and the C-hook to realise that a single tilt correction is simply just not enough.
Traditional C-hooks use fixed counterweights that only allow single directional tilt adjustment. Our breakthrough was to incorporate a dual gantry crane system into the hook itself, with motorised counterweights that can travel to either side of the lifting point, enabling the hook to rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise.
So when we're working with offshore wind, lifting large-scale structural components such as monopile cans, it isn't just about the capacity, it's about precision, handling, stability, and above all, operational safety.
This innovation, combined with a fully mechanical load path that avoids transferring primary loads through welds, makes it the most advanced and possibly the largest C-hook of its kind in the world.
On the particular project that we've recently completed for the C-hook, when we found out that this was going to be one of the world's largest C-hooks, our team were thrilled. They were enjoying the experience. They wanted to come up with a solution that worked for us and the client.
With the design finalised and manufacturing in full swing, the C-hook began to take shape. Each component carefully fabricated, assembled and aligned to exact specifications. Once complete, we carried out a full proof load test here on site, ensuring the hook could safely handle the extreme weights it was designed for.
From a sales perspective, it was quite tough. We were pitching an idea, no prototype, no brochure, no case studies to refer to. We knew that we had to get our technical experts in front of the decision makers.
With the test complete, it was time to send it off site for painting, one step closer to completion.
Whilst the design of the C-hook is the first of its kind, it's the first for us at Durham Lifting Multisec, it does show our capabilities and our commitment to innovating within the offshore wind industry.
Once the coating is fully cured and inspected, the C-hook is returned, protected, finished and ready for final assembly.
We have added an innovative counterbalance solution to the problem, very much working with the design team and their engineers on site to ensure that the design that we eventually came up with solved the problem.
The counterweight works on a mechanical rack and pinion system. The motors are inverter driven. This is to ensure gradual transition of the power transfer to the counterweight to ensure a synchronous movement, as the precision adjustment of the C-hook is quite important in the operation.
The result? A game-changing lifting solution, engineered precisely to our clients' needs.
We're confident that this shows our technical capabilities at delivering solutions to unique challenges such as the C-hook, but even more so in developing and expanding on our Multisec product range.
They gave us a challenge and we delivered the solution. From first sketch to final lift, this patent-pending C-hook is proof of what's possible when precision meets purpose. We are Multisec, supported by Durham Lifting, British engineering, trusted worldwide.